Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Apple Watch is on your wrist and unlocked. This proves you. Once done, open Wallet on your iPhone and tap the plus sign to add a card, because the watch mirrors the iPhone's wallet. You'll scan the card or enter details manually. Banks often require verification via SMS or app, so keep your phone handy. Make sure the card is marked for Apple Pay on the iPhone before moving to the watch pairing step. Now you add the card directly to the watch through the Watch app. Open Watch, go to Wallet and Apple Pay, and tap Add Card under your watches. Choose the card you set up on the iPhone or add a new one. Follow on-screen prompts to accept terms and complete verification. This step links the card to the watch's secure element. Make sure you set a watch passcode if prompted, because Apple Pay requires authentication tied to wearing the watch for security. To pay, double-click the Apple Watch side button and select the card, because that action summons Apple Pay instantly. Hold the watch face near the contactless reader until you feel a subtle tap and the display shows done. This confirms the transaction. If something goes wrong, make sure your watch is unlocked and wearing detection is enabled. Check Wallet for card status and that Bluetooth is on between devices, and confirm with your bank there are no blocks or.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.